How you doing here? So there's a lot of questions regarding the mining portion of how to actually purchase a contract with AWS mining. So I'm going to show you the process here. What you want to do is head over to your Bitcoin wallet, your Coinbase, and if you don't have any Bitcoin value, so right now, as you can see in US dollars, I have $252, and so I'm going to buy a contract over at AWS mining. Okay, so in order for you to do that, on the top left, you can see I have one contract on this account, and you click on it says buy more, and then right here on the plus sign, you're gonna hit plus. I want one or 0.1 contract essentially, and you can see the value here. Value in BTC is right there, right below it, and that'd be $40. But let's say I want to buy two, then that would be $80, and that's the value in Bitcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and place an order for two. And then it gives you the terms and agreement. If you need to, go ahead and read through that. And click on agree. And click confirm the order. Okay, so it says mining successfully contracted. So I bought two contracts. So what's going to happen now is there's going to be a pending window, and it pops up right here, and it says how do you want to pay for your $80 right up top there. And the way you do that is you can do it either through Bitcoin Cash, which I don't have, but I do have a Bitcoin. So we're going to click on this. Let's see what, yeah, there's no payments there, description. Okay, so I'm going to click on Bitcoin. So really that's the only way you can fund it with those two. So you're buying it with digital currency. So the process is you first pay whatever country you're in US currency. You pay through loading it up on Coinbase, and then you come back and then you use that digital currency to purchase your contracts. So the next step is make payment with this coin, and just choose yes. And it's going to take you to this window. You got 15 minutes to do it. The way this works is it actually tells you right here, click to copy. This is the value in Bitcoin that you need to copy and paste over to Coinbase, as well as where you want to send the money to, and that's the wallet address. So let's go ahead and copy the coin value. It's not going to be exactly $80. It's going to be slightly higher, as you'll see. So now I'm in Coinbase, and in order to fund this money, you go to accounts, you go down to where it says BTC wallet, and you click on send. Inside send, you're going to see that there's an address where to send the money to, and then the amount. So I'm going to paste what I copied in here. You can see now that it's $81.86. It's not exactly $80. So that's exactly what they need to see on their end in order to equal the contracts, the two contracts I just bought, the $80 worth of contracts. Makes sense? So it's not $80 exactly. There's some conversion values here, and it's about $1.86 difference there. And this may fluctuate, it may look different on your end because it may fluctuate with the market. Last step is copy the address. So let's go back over here. Here's the address. Copy that address, head back to Coinbase, and then paste it right there. And we are done. Click continue, and then confirm. You're going to see right here that it actually adds a little bit more value. So this is the amount right here to the address. The amount is $81.86, but there's a miner fee. The miner fee must be included to incentivize miners to confirm this transaction. Miner fees do not go to Coinbase. This is for the blockchain. This is not a Coinbase charge. This is not a charge that's done by AWS mining. This is the way I understand it. This is a blockchain charge. And then this is the total that is going to be charged. Does that make sense? So click confirm, and that value that AWS is requesting is going to be right there. That value will be translated to this. So let's look at the details. Still shows pending on my end, but essentially you are done. So it says payment was made. So in real time, you can actually see what's going on here. Please access blockchain to view information about your transaction. Once we receive minimum number of confirmations, it will be released. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message. I just got started with AWS mining. This is my first attempt at buying contracts. You can look below this video for more information. There's a lot of videos showing where these farming, crypto mining farmhouses are at around the country, around the world actually, all the way from like China to Paraguay, and they just have a farmhouse of these machines. So the way I see it is I'm purchasing contracts to fund these machines. As you know, it's not cheap to buy these video cards that produce this mathematical value that essentially pays out in coin a day. So I see this as a way to be a part of the system without forking out a lot of money on video cards. If you guys haven't looked up a GPU video card, not to get too technical, but they run anywhere between $300 all the way up to a few thousand. And then imagine buying 6 of these per machine to compute a daily return. It's just it can get incredibly expensive. I've also heard that it's too late to get involved in creating your own machines because, like I said, it gets too expensive. So anyway, not to make this video too long, I just wanted to show you how to fund that. If I refresh, it may already show up as paid. It may not, but it shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Yeah, it's still being processed. So there you have it. Give it a few, and it should be funded. You can see I did my other one back in the 15th, and then here I am submitting this one. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Have a good day.